Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos, and if you're liking those videos, then hit that subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp us to 7892652481, and for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, click the link in video description either for Zerodha, Upstock or Angel Broking and be part of my secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic.
Hi, my name is Ritu. I've been following your channel from last 1 month. I've watched all the videos, tips you have shared, and I would say it really works. It's been an amazing experience, and I love learning with your videos and being a part of your channel. Thank you.
So if you see a situation in Unilever stock, Hindustan Unilever stock, okay, so we have a resistance in this area, which is that area. Let me just put this around 5.6, okay, around 5.6 is the resistance area. If you see, it is touching continuously in this particular area and getting back. So whenever it breaks this resistance, okay, of 2 to 5.6, we will try to take an advantage. So now this is why I'm telling this is I'm just giving an example. This is a demo trade for you guys. So this is a resistance. So if the resistance is breaking, let's take a trade and let's make some 0.3. 0.3 is around, let's say, 6 rupees or 6.5 rupees. Okay, 6.6 rupees. So let's take an advantage within this range. Okay, so let's see how the resistance breakout will happen. If it doesn't happen, if it is going down, then no trade. All right, so that's the main idea what I would like to show you, just for learning purpose, a live example. So I'm trying to capture more of live examples than theories and reading out theories. So yeah, the resistance out here, this is what we're gonna consider. So in the whole graph, if you see, the stock was going good and got stuck in this point, and it has a resistance at this particular point. So we will wait for the resistance breakout. It may take some time. Market has to also support. So let's wait and watch. After it breaks out, maybe I may not record because I have my classes going on. So in between, I'll try to take a trade, and if I'm not able to take a trade also, I'll try to record the video later to see whether it broke. If it is breaking, then only 0.3% target. If it is not breaking this point, no trade. Alright, so keep this in mind. So like I told, I was taking the class and still I could take an advantage here. So you see there's a breakout which happened. 2256 is the resistance. Later part breakout has happened. So I took an advantage around 7 rupees. So 230 shares I had taken, right, for this demo trade. So 230 into 7 rupees, around 1000, how much, 1616 rupees I just booked in this particular trade. So yeah, so most of the people have this questions that whenever the stock is up, okay, the market is up, the stock is already up, people tend to buy it thinking that the stock will go further up. But you see the RSI, everything is in the top. You know that the stock is going to come down. So you need to wait. So that is the reason I just took some time and showed you to take a trade after 11 o'clock. All right. Now the market settles down. And why did I book 0.3%? Because you see the number of, the range of the candle, the volumes have reduced. So during this time, I can't expect a spike like this and be lucky to get 0.6, 0.7%, right? I need to exit 0.3 because I'm lucky to get 0.3 here. So I just waited for the breakout rather than just taking current market price. And whenever breakout happened, I took a chance, like I told you. If it was not a breakout, it would have gone down. I would have not taken a trade, right? So took an advantage. 6 rupees 60 paisa is 0.3, so around 7 rupees I booked immediately. My luck, on this particular candle I booked my trade and automatically it came down later. But anyways, it is trading in that range and it's already up, so it can further go up. Now if you see, the volumes are increasing, spikes can come, it can go up also, it can go down also. But this is what I would like to mention. So check the resistance. So check the resistance level of your stocks, where your stocks are, where the RSIs are. Lot of parameters I told you. It's not just seeing a stock, top stock, market is top, everything is in the up, stock also should go up. No, see the levels of the stock, see the resistance, see the support of the stock, and then take an advantage. So this is a quick demo trade for you guys. I don't have much time. I have to start off with my next class. So I'll end up the video very soon. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.